Hey there, Steve V from SV Software here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up widgets on your iPhone. Check it out. Okay, to get started with a widget, adding a widget to your iPhone, all you have to do is just tap on the blank screen. And then you'll see on the upper left side, there's a plus button. You tap on the plus button, and then you'll get this search widget view that comes up that gives you, you can actually search for the name of the app that you want to add the widget on your iPhone. Or you can just kind of scroll up and down this view to actually see what you have set up already on your phone that you can actually add widgets. I like this sports favorite team. And then you have different sizes here that you can select. Okay, and then I want to select kind of the square one, and you just once you have that on your screen, you just hit the add widget and it'll add it in there. And then you can actually move the actual widget to wherever you want it located on your iPhone. Okay, so there's one. I'm going to add another one in. I'm going to actually add my widget from my affirmations app, and basically I programmed this to actually update the quote every 30 minutes. So you can kind of see there's a couple different sizes here. Let's put this one in, add widget. Okay, so that goes on the top, and then let's add one more. Just kind of looking at some of the things here. Let's see, how about music? This is pretty cool. So you can have a couple different things. I'll add this size to that. Okay, and then when you're done with adding all your widgets, you just click the done button on the top right there. And the neat thing about a widget is it'll either update, depending on how it's programmed. Like I said, mine will update the quote every 30 minutes. And then if you want to actually go into the app, all you got to do is actually tap on the widget and it'll go right into the app. So for instance, I'm going to go and tap on the affirmations widget here and it'll open the app. Okay, and then I'll close it, and then there's the widgets again. Then one other thing I want to show you is if you wanted to say you wanted to delete one of the widgets, just remove them from the screen, which you can, delete, add in anytime you want. You can actually just tap on one and hold it for a second, and you can just say that remove widget. Or if there's multiples, you can actually tap on one and then hold it, and then you'll see that each of these now have a minus button on the top left. So say you just wanted to remove this one, so I tap that upper left negative sign there and hit remove, and it's gone. And say I wanted to also remove that music one, so I tap the upper left and you say remove, and there it goes. And then when you're done, you just click that done. Okay, all right, so that's it for the widgets. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to download my affirmations app and add that to your home screen or anywhere on your iPhone, there'll be a link to it below. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.